STaCS DNA software helps you to manage 4 critical areas of your lab. This video focuses on accreditation, which covers standard operating procedures, documentation, reporting, and audits. Let's talk about each one of these areas. STaCS ensures that all actions of your lab staff are consistent with your SOPs. How do we do that? When you initially configure STaCS, use the SOP Management tool to enter the SOP for each process performed in your lab. For example, STaCS ensures that supplies, reagents, and consumable materials that affect the quality of sample processing are not used until they have been inspected or otherwise verified as complying with SOPs. Audit trails of actions taken to check compliance are maintained. STaCS interfaces with your liquid handling robots and other instruments to ensure that the appropriate SOP is followed as each instrument is used. These capabilities have been proven to prevent errors. STaCS also manages your SOP documents. That means that if you check back for how a particular sample or specimen was processed on a specific date or a range of dates, STaCS will show you what point in time SOP should have been followed during that time period, as well as the actual actions. Our customers tell us that STaCS helps them improve quality, reduce risk, and ensure procedures and processes are followed. STaCS software tracks and controls each sample throughout the analysis process. Audit trails are generated from the very first step of the process until final results are generated. For each sample and workflow step, STaCS automatically tracks who performed the work, when the work was performed, the specific scientific instrument used, the lot numbers and consumables used, the SOP in place at the time of the processing, the sample controls, and of course, the actual results. Our customers tell us that improved documentation is a hugely valuable benefit. They report that their documentation is better quality, detail, and standardizations as a result of using STaCS. You can print documents if you'd like, but there is no need to. You don't need to produce any intermediary results. Everything you need is in STaCS. You can actually achieve the paperless lab. STaCS ensures that all of the information you need is at your fingertips. You get a comprehensive set of more than a dozen standard or built-in report types. You can export reports to PDF, Excel, and many other file and image formats. You can easily visualize reports page by page or by using multi-page thumbnails. You can quickly find the data you need by doing a text search. Use hypertext links to drill down on the data to get the level of detail you need. Would you like to cut your audit time in half? Is that possible? That's exactly the result our customers report. Audits are a fact of life in the lab, and you may have 4 or more each year, in addition to regular spot checks. Do you currently print all of your spreadsheets and store them in a logbook? How much time have you spent flipping through papers to find what you need? Is it all there? Is any of the paper trail missing? With STaCS, retrieving information is as easy as clicking on the report for an instrument, reagent, analyst, sample, or date. The specific data you need appears and all the correct reports are attached. There are no binders to flip through. If you have multiple labs, you can save time and money by eliminating the need to travel to other sites to go through filing cabinets. You can be so much more effective when you can easily check from your desk that a task has been completed. All of your data can be shared with the auditor. At audit time, just sit your auditor down in front of STaCS and the data and reports he or she needs are all right there. The data is stored for access at any time, with appropriate security measures to protect the electronic storage and transmission of results, ensuring that can only be accessed by authorized personnel. STaCS DNA plays a key role in helping labs meet strict accreditation standards as required by forensics and healthcare labs. That's a quick overview of accreditation. This is the final video in our series on maximizing productivity in DNA labs. There are 4 other videos in this series. Contact us today to discuss how we can help you meet the challenges you face in your DNA lab.